Restoration Pros, New York.
It happens to all of us. You know, when you're just sitting around minding your own business and suddenly you find yourself in the midst of a flood inside your home. Now, that's no good. That's also exactly why you need 24/7 emergency assistance from highly trained technicians. That's us. We'll turn your nightmare back into a dream in no time, combining trusted expertise and diverse experience to restore your home to its former glory. We're trusted leaders in the water restoration industry, utilizing only the most advanced trying equipment and water inspection and extraction methods to get the job done on time every time. Maybe your home's underwater. Perhaps your business is liquidated in another way. Whatever the case, our locally owned and operated services are guaranteed to cater to any disaster of any size. Get in touch with us today and take a breath of fresh air once and for all.